PRC Build Services were hired to complete an asbestos removal and commercial roof replacement of 2 industrial workshops for Western Power in Perth, Western Australia. The workshops were located in Kewdale within the City of Belmont. This project consisted of a 6,500 square metre asbestos removal and Colorbond roof replacement. PRC Building Services also installed new ridge ventilation, engineered eave modifications, internal gyprock walls and painting, and new roller doors. This is a perfect example of how PRC Building Services can replace a commercial or industrial roof and also provide building services, providing their customers with an all-in-one commercial building solution. This Western Power project ran for a period of 2 months throughout March and April 2014 with a contract value of approximately $800,000. PRC had a workforce of 20 personnel on site with a fully operational site office, crib room and sea containers to store all tools and equipment. Our main focus was on delivering a completely asbestos-free workshop for the client to be able to move their staff back in without any concern of exposure to asbestos. This is an example of the stringent health and safety standards PRC Building Services maintains. This project was located within close proximity to Perth Airport and was in the direct flight path. For this reason, PRC Building Services had to liaise with the airport to ensure crane lift activity didn't interfere with the incoming or outgoing airplanes. A large portion of the project was for PRC Building Services to ensure the protection of all the client's internal equipment, overhead cranes, tools and materials from any asbestos fibres by fully encapsulating the entire internal areas with 200 black plastic. This was a large part of the project as some of the client's materials were fragile, with the possibility of being easily damaged if care was not taken. Once the works were completed on each building, PRC and a third-party hygienist arranged a meeting with all of our client staff to review and explain the process that was followed for the removal and disposal of asbestos. We then invited the customer and their staff to inspect all the areas themselves to alleviate any concerns they may have in terms of safety and asbestos residue in the warehouse. This project was completed on time and budget with no downtime. If you want to review our asbestos cleaning procedures, please request our report, The 5 Things to Consider When Removing Asbestos from Your Location. Visit prcbuildingservices.com.au for more information.